ఇంటర్మీడియట్ విద్యారంగంలో అగ్రగామి మన ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్. ఐఐటి, జేఈఈ అయినా, నీట్ అయినా తిరుగులేని విద్యా సంస్థ ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్.
Electrophilic substitution reactions in aromatic carboxylic acids. Electrophilic substitution reactions in carboxylic acids. Electrophilic substitution reactions in carboxylic acids. Aromatic carboxylic acid is aromatic carboxylic acid, benzoic acid, benzoic acid. Benzoic acid formula is C6H5COOH. This is benzoic acid, aromatic carboxylic acid. In this aromatic carboxylic acid, COOH group is electron withdrawing group, or it is a deactivating group. Deactivating group. Carboxylic acid is a deactivating group, electron deactivating group, or it is also a meta directing group. Deactivating group or meta directing group. Presence of meta directing group, electrophilic substitution reactions takes place. Electrophilic substitution reactions takes place at meta position. Electrophilic substitution reaction takes place at meta position because of COOH group is a electron withdrawing group. Okay, already you know the students here benzene ring, it is the aromatic system. On this aromatic system, if here substitution is present, okay, this substitution may be electron donating group, EDG, electron donating group, or activating group. Electron donating group or activating group is present. EPS reactions means electrophilic substitution reactions. Electrophilic substitution reactions takes place at ortho position and also para position. Okay, so with respect to this substitution, first, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. So second position and sixth position is ortho. So either 2 or 6th position electrophile is at X, and another one is para. Para means 4th position. If this substitution is electron withdrawing group or deactivating group, electron withdrawing group or deactivating group, electron withdrawing group or deactivating group, electrophilic substitution reactions, EPS reactions, electrophilic substitution reactions takes place at meta position only. At meta position, electrophilic substitution reaction takes place at meta position. Here meta position means either 3 or 5th. Third position or 5th position is meta position. Okay, this is electrophilic substitution reactions. So in the case of aromatic carboxylic acids, here presence of COOH group, it is a deactivating group. Due to the presence of deactivating group or meta-directing group, electrophilic substitution reactions takes place at meta position. So here why? Because COOH group is the electron withdrawing group or deactivating group. Presence of deactivating group, electrophilic substitution reactions are takes place at meta position. Meta means either third position or fifth position. Electrophile is preferentially attacks at third position or fifth position. Here electrophile is attacks at second position or sixth position or fourth position. If the group is donating ortho and para, if the group is deactivating group or electron withdrawing group, electrophilic substitution reaction takes place at meta position. Right, now examples for electrophilic substitution reactions. Electrophilic substitution reactions. Nitration reaction. Nitration. Benzoic acid COOH on treatment with concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4. Okay, nitrating mixture, concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4. In this, electrophile is NO2 plus electrophile. Okay, now this electrophile is preferentially attacks at meta position because of COOH group is a electron withdrawing group. So therefore your meta position is third position or fifth position, either third or fifth position. So therefore the product obtained in this reaction is COOH here N0. Okay, this is nitration reaction. Its name is meta-nitrobenzoic acid. Okay, benzoic acid upon nitration, benzoic acid upon nitration, it gives meta-nitrobenzoic acid or 3-nitrobenzoic acid. Okay, this is example 1. And example 2, halogenation. Halogenation reaction. Halogenation. Yes, benzene C6H5 benzoic acid COOH. So benzoic acid on treatment with bromine in the presence of AlCl3 or AlBr3, halogenation takes place. Here bromination at meta position, AlCl3 or AlBr3 as you like. Now here COOH group and at meta position bromine is present, meta-bromobenzoic acid or 3-bromobenzoic acid. Its name is 3-bromobenzoic acid. Why? Because here COOH group is deactivating group. Presence of deactivating group, electrophile is here bromine, Br plus electrophile. So this Br plus electrophile is attacks at third position or fifth position, that is nothing but meta position. So therefore meta-bromobenzoic acid or 3-bromobenzoic acid. Okay, these are the electrophilic substitution reactions on aromatic carboxylic acids. Okay, aromatic carboxylic acids. In this case, nitrobenzene in benzoic acid, Friedel-Crafts reactions are not possible. Okay, note in benzoic acid Friedel-Crafts reactions Friedel-Crafts reactions are not takes place. Okay, Friedel-Crafts reactions are not takes place. In benzoic acid, Friedel-Crafts reactions, Friedel-Crafts methylation, Friedel-Crafts ethylation, Friedel-Crafts acylation, Friedel-Crafts benzylation reactions are not carried out. Why? Because the reason is here reason in benzoic acid C6H5COOH, in benzoic acid COOH group is meta deactivating group. First of all, it is a deactivating group. Okay, in benzoic acid COOH group is a deactivating group. And one more reason, catalyst is AlCl3 or AlBr3 Lewis acid. Catalyst Al3 catalyst is addition to carboxyl group. Okay, here addition means bonding to carboxyl group. So that's why in aromatic carboxylic acids Friedel-Crafts reactions are not carried out, because of first reason is in benzoic acid COOH group is a deactivating group, and second reason is catalyst is AlCl3 Lewis acid, it is binding to the carboxyl group. So that's why Friedel-Crafts reactions are not carried out in aromatic carboxylic acids. Yes, then go for another one is, what is mean by active methylene group? What is the meaning of active methylene group? Okay, active methylene group means CH2 group. CH2 group, it is oriented in between the two electron withdrawing groups. Okay, the CH2 group, it is oriented or which is in between the two electron withdrawing groups are called as active methylene groups. Okay, for example, here example 1 is CH3 C double bond O CH2 COO C2H5. Okay, its name is ethyl acetoacetate. Name of the compound is ethyl acetoacetate, or another name is acetoacetic ester. Okay, acetoacetic ester. And one of the most important one is already repeated in the competitive exams. What is the IUPAC name of this compound? IUPAC name is 1, 2, 3, 4. At third position, keto group is present. Therefore, its name is ethyl 3-oxo. Ethyl, this is ethyl group. Third position, oxo, ethyl 3-oxo. But 4 carbons, ane plus secondary suffix is OH. So ethyl 3-oxo butanoate. It is the IUPAC name of the compound. IUPAC name is ethyl 3-oxo butanoate. ethyl 3-oxobutanoate, IUPAC name. Now in this case, here this is the active methylene group. This CH2 group is called as active methylene group. It is a active methylene group. Why it is called as active methylene group? The CH2 group is oriented in between the CO group and the COO group, means these two groups are electron withdrawing groups. This is electron withdrawing group. Here CO, the CO group is also a electron withdrawing group. Electron withdrawing group, this is electron withdrawing group. So in between two electron withdrawing groups, here CH2 group is present, that's why it is called as active methylene group. Okay, what is meant by active methylene group? The CH2 group which is oriented or which is in between the two electron withdrawing groups are called as active methylene group. So your active methylene group best example is ethyl esteoestate, or it is also called as esteoestic ester, or its IUPAC name is ethyl 3-oxobutanoate. Okay, that is the IUPAC name. And one more example is diethyl melanoate, COO, here CH2, COO, C2, H5. It is called as diethyl melanoate. Its name is diethyl melanoate. Diethyl melanoate, or it is also called as malonic ester. It is also known as malonic ester. Okay, another name is malonic ester. In this also, the CH2 group is active methylene group because of the CH2 group is oriented in between the two electron withdrawing groups. Okay, this is also a electron withdrawing group, and it is also called as electron withdrawing group. In between two electron withdrawing groups, CH2 group is present, that's why it is called as active methylene group. Similarly, here one more example is acetyl acetone, CH3CO CH2, here CO and CH3. Okay, its name is acetyl acetone. Okay, in this, the CH2 group is called as active methylene group. Why? Because CH2 group is in between two electron withdrawing groups like two CO groups. These two CO groups are electron withdrawing groups. Okay, it is electron withdrawing group, and this one is also called as electron withdrawing group. In between two electron withdrawing groups, CH2 group is there, that's why it is called as active methylene group. So active methylene group containing compounds, best example ethyl esteoestate, malonic ester, acetyl acetone. Right now, this is the most important compound, ethyl esteoestate. It is the derivative of ester. So that's why how to prepare the ethyl esteoestate or esteoestic ester, preparation method of esteoacetic ester. Preparation of ethyl acetoacetate. Ethyl acetoacetate or acetoacetic ester. Acetoacetic ester. Preparation method. preparation method by using Claisen condensation reaction. Claisen condensation reaction. Claisen condensation reaction. Preparation of ethyl acetoacetate or acetoacetic ester by using Claisen condensation reaction. Preparation method, Claisen condensation. Yes, what is Claisen condensation? At least one alpha hydrogen, at least one alpha hydrogen containing, at least one alpha hydrogen containing esters reacts with sodium ethoxide, reacts with sodium ethoxide, reacts with sodium ethoxide, undergoes condensation to form beta keto ester, to form beta keto esters. Okay, this reaction is known as Claisen condensation reaction. This reaction is known as Claisen condensation reaction. Okay, what is mean by Claisen condensation reaction? At least one alpha hydrogen containing esters reacts with sodium ethoxide C2H5ONa, undergoes condensation to form a beta keto ester. This reaction is called as Claisen condensation reaction. Yes, for example, if you take CH3COOC2H5, okay, here alpha hydrogen is present, alpha hydrogen containing ester, plus and one more is CH3COOC2H5, here also alpha hydrogen containing ester in the presence of sodium ethoxide C2H5ONa, sodium ethoxide. Then what happen here? Alpha hydrogen, at least one alpha hydrogen containing compounds on treatment with sodium ethoxide, condensation takes place to form beta keto ester. Now the product is removal of ethyl alcohol C2H5OH. It gives CH3C double bond O, here CH2COOC2H5, here removal of ethyl alcohol C2H5OH. With respect to this ester functional group, it is alpha and this one is beta. So beta keto, this is ester. So it is called as beta keto ester, or it is also called as ethyl acetoacetate, or it is also called as acetoacetic ester, or its IUPAC name is ethyl, okay, 1 2 3 4, ethyl 3-oxobutanoate, ethyl 3-oxobutanoate. This is most important one. IUPAC name of the compound is ethyl 3-oxobutanoate. Okay, how to write the products? One molecule alpha hydrogen and second molecule ethoxy group, removal of alcohol, we are getting the product that is beta keto ester. Okay, this reaction is called as Claisen condensation reaction. What is the meaning of Claisen condensation? at least one alpha hydrogen containing esters reacts with sodium ethoxide, undergoes condensation to form beta keto ester. This reaction is known as Claisen condensation reaction. It is called as Claisen condensation. Yes, alpha hydrogen, here alpha hydrogens containing esters, condensation in the presence of sodium ethoxide, removal of ethyl alcohol to produce beta keto ester, or it is also called as ethyl esteoestate, or it is also called as esteoestic ester, or IUPAC name of the compound is ethyl 3-hexabutanoate. Okay, this is Claisen condensation reaction. So how the product is obtained from 2 moles of ethyl acetate. So its name is ethyl acetate. Ethyl acetate. So for this reaction mechanism, first of all, direct reaction ethyl acetate CH3COOC2H5 ethyl acetate plus second mole of ethyl acetate, in the presence of sodium ethoxide C2H5ONA. What happened? Removal of alcohol, ethyl alcohol, CH3CO, CH2 group, C double bond O, C2H5, here removal of ethyl alcohol. This is ethyl acetoacetate, EAA, ethyl acetoacetate or esteoestic ester. This is direct reaction. But how to write the mechanism? First of all, reaction mechanism. Okay, reaction mechanism. Sodium ethoxide C2H5ONA is decomposed into C2H5O minus plus Na plus. This ethoxide ion treated with ethyl acetate. So your ethyl acetate is CH3COOC2H5 ethyl acetate with ethoxide ion C2H5O minus. Ethoxide ion. Now what happened here? These sigma bonded electrons are shifted towards carbon because of it is electron withdrawing and liberates H plus ion. Liberation of proton H plus. This proton contains with C2H5O minus ethyl alcohol formation, and it leads to the formation of carbanion CH2COOC2H5 minus plus ethyl alcohol C2H5OH. Okay, this is known as carbanion nucleophile. Now this carbanion reacts with the second mole of ethyl acetate. Second mole of ethyl acetate is CH3COOC2H5. This is second mole of ethyl acetate plus carbanion CH2 minus COOC2H5 carbanion. Then what happened here? Nucleophilic addition, and these pi bonded electrons are shifted towards oxygen. Yes, it gives addition product CH3CO minus and OC2H5. Here it is CH2 and COOC2H5. Okay, it is the oxyanion. So this oxyanion rearrangement takes place. It gives ethoxide ion, removal of ethoxide ion C2H5O minus, ethoxide ion C2H5O minus. Then it leads to the formation of CH3CO and CH2 and COOC2H5. Okay, this is the final product. It is called as ethyl acetoacetate, ethyl acetoacetate or esteoestic ester, ethyl esteoacetate or esteoestic ester. Okay, so C2H5O minus, here ethoxide ion elimination. This is called as Claisen condensation reaction. Okay, so what is Claisen condensation reaction? At least one alpha hydrogen containing compounds reacts with sodium ethoxide. Condensation takes place to form ethyl esteoestate or esteoestic ester. Its IUPAC name is ethyl 3-oxobutanate. Okay, this is the reaction mechanism for Claisen condensation. How to identify the students? Now removal of alpha hydrogen from one molecule and ethoxide ion removal from second molecule. So finally removal of alcohol C2H5OH alcohol. Okay, this is reaction mechanism for Claisen condensation reaction. Okay, and example 2 for Claisen condensation, CH3 CH2 COOC2 H5 ethyl propionate plus CH3 CH2 COOC2 H5 ethyl propionate 2 moles ethyl propionate. Ethyl propionate in the presence of sodium ethoxide C2H5ON. Then how to write the product? Very simple. Ethoxide ion, here it is alpha hydrogen. So here removal of alpha hydrogen and ethoxide ion. Okay, very easy. Removal of ethoxide group and one hydrogen, alpha hydrogen. Especially we can remove alpha hydrogen. Without alpha hydrogen, no Claisen condensation reaction. Yes. So ethyl propionate, so C2H5ONA. Here removal of ethyl alcohol. We are getting the product is CH3, CH2, C double bond O, and this carbon is connected to the CH. Here it is having CH3 group and COOC2H5. Okay, plus ethyl alcohol C2H5OH. So this is the second example for Claisen condensation reaction. Yes, then go for how to write the crossed Claisen condensation products. Okay, and one more reaction is crossed Claisen condensation reaction. Crossed Claisen condensation reaction. crossed Claisen condensation. Crossed Claisen condensation reaction. Yes, here example 1, ethyl benzoate COOC2H5, ethyl benzoate plus ethyl acetate CH3COOC2H5, ethyl acetate in the presence of C2H5ONa, sodium ethoxide, and another one is HCOOC2H5, ethyl formate plus ethyl acetate CH3COOC2H5 in the presence of C2H5ONa, sodium ethoxide. Okay, this is example 2. And example 3 is CH3COOC2H5 plus CH3CH2COOC2H5. Okay, this is ethyl acetate. It is ethyl acetate. This is ethyl propionate. Ethyl propionate. This one is ethyl formate. Ethyl formate. Ethyl acetate. This one is ethyl benzoate. Ethyl benzoate. Same. Ethyl acetate. Both are same. Ethyl acetate. Now, in the presence of C2H5ONa. Okay, how to write the products in crossed Claisen condensation reaction? In this, alpha carbon is there, but without alpha hydrogen. But in this compound, alpha hydrogen is present. Here, alpha carbon present, alpha hydrogen present. Only alpha hydrogen is present in one molecule. Therefore, here a removal of alcohol C2H5OH, it is participate in crossed Claisen because of two molecules are different, crossed. Two molecules are same, normal Claisen condensation reaction. So, in these two molecules, they are differ, but only one molecule is possess alpha hydrogen. Therefore, here only single product is obtained in this reaction. Why? Because only one molecule having alpha hydrogen, in second molecule absence of alpha hydrogen, therefore we are getting only one product. So, now the product is C6H5 C double bond O CH2, okay, COOC2H5, alpha beta keto ester. Same in this case, ethyl formate, here without alpha carbon, without alpha hydrogen. But in this one, alpha hydrogen is present. So, here only one molecule having alpha hydrogen. Therefore, here also only one product is obtained, that is HC double bond O. C double bond O, here CH2 COOC2H5. Okay, it is also beta keto ester. But in third example, this is very, very important example. Ethyl acetate. In this ethyl acetate molecule, alpha carbon and 3 alpha hydrogens are present. In ethyl propionate, alpha carbon is present, 2 alpha hydrogens are there. In both the molecule, alpha hydrogens are present. Then what happened? Okay, in both the cases, alpha hydrogens are present. In both the molecules, alpha hydrogens are present. We are getting 4 products. Among these 4 products, 2 products are self products and another two products are crossed products. So therefore, then how to write the product? Removal of alpha hydrogen and ethoxy group. So first self products means ethyl acetate molecule 1, ethyl propionate is 1. So 1 plus 1 is the self products, 2 plus 2 self products. So here 1 plus 1, same molecule addition, here self products 2 plus 2, these two are self products. Okay, so crossed products 1 plus 2 and 2 plus 1, these two are crossed products. Okay, two are self products and another two are crossed products. Okay, how to write the self products and crossed products? Right? So self product 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 means 1 plus 1 product is CH3 COO C2H5 plus same compound CH3 COO C2H5. Okay, product removal of ethyl alcohol C2H5 OH. So first product is CH3CO CH2 COO C2H5. This is self products. And another one is second molecule plus second molecule. Same molecules. CH3 CH2 COO C2H5 plus CH3 CH2 COO C2H5. Okay, here ethoxy group alpha hydrogen, removal of alpha hydrogen and ethoxy group. Now the product is CH3 CH2 C double bond O, here CH CH3 COO C2H5. Okay, these two are self products. Okay, self products means same molecules addition, 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2. Alpha hydrogen and ethoxy group, removal of ethoxy group and alpha hydrogen, ethoxy group and alpha hydrogen. Then how to write the products? 1 plus 2, 2 plus 1. 1 plus 2 means first molecule is ethyl acetate CH3 COO C2H5 plus second molecule is propionate CH3 CH2 COO C2H5, ethyl propionate. Okay, here ethyl propionate alpha hydrogen ethoxy group. Now the product is CH3CO CH3CO CH CH3 COO C2H5. Okay, and similarly 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 means ethyl propionate plus ethyl acetate. Ethyl propionate plus ethyl acetate. 2 plus 1 means ethyl propionate CH3 CH2 COO C2H5 ethyl propionate plus ethyl acetate CH3 COO C2H5. Then next alpha hydrogen and ethoxy group. Ethoxy group alpha hydrogen, it gives CH3 CH2 CO and CH2, C2H5. Now these two products are crossed products. Okay, these two are crossed products. Similar to aldol condensation reaction. Normal aldol condensation reaction, crossed aldol condensation reaction. Similar to aldol condensation reaction. Okay, crossed Claisen condensation is nothing but almost similar to crossed aldol condensation reaction. Okay, but reagent is different, product formation is also different. Process is same. Requirement, essential requirement is alpha hydrogens. Okay, right. This is about crossed Claisen condensation reaction. Crossed Claisen condensation reaction. And what are the main properties of ethyl ester or ester ester? Ethyl ester or acetoacetic ester. Ethyl ester or acetoacetic ester.